to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
Welcome back to my channel. Your girl has been going through a hard time. Anytime that I get sick, and lately that seems like it's just never ending between stomach flus and other bugs, my depression symptoms are exasperated. And what depression looks like for me is extreme fatigue, tiredness, weakness, no motivation. And so when you have very little energy and very little motivation, you really gotta spend it wisely. I just wanna try and focus on things that make me feel good about myself. Because when you have depression, your self-image is very, very poor. And with this low that I have been in, that's what I've been doing. I actually started filming a series of home recovery after illness where my house was torn up. And I just shut down. It's probably been a week since I started filming that. My house was a disaster. I didn't know where to start. I was feeling totally overwhelmed. So I told myself I'm gonna take the pressure off of filming it and just do a little bit every day with the help of my family. And so that's what we've done. So the house looks better than what you see here. And today I just wanted to share some things that I do that help me feel better about myself, so that if you're struggling, maybe you could try some of these things to help pull yourself, because nobody wants to live there. You know, give yourself a couple pity days. Try and pull yourself out. The world needs you. So priority number one for me is homeschooling my children. Not only do my children need it, but it is a huge blessing to me, and it makes me feel good at the end of the day when we have accomplished a full and thoughtful homeschool day. That really energizes me. So that's one thing that at a bare minimum I try and do. The second thing, at the beginning of the year, I asked my friends to send me their favorite Bible verse, or a Bible verse that maybe they had been clinging to, and I put down on my planner that Bible verse, and each week I read that Bible verse. I even try and memorize that Bible verse, although I'm not very good at memorizing, but that's one thing I'm trying to work on. So I try and memorize that Bible verse, I pray over that person, and I write 3 positive things that happened to me the day before, and that's important. I've often heard in combating depression, you write 3 things that you're grateful for. Well, I find that when I'm writing what I'm grateful for, it's usually the same thing every day. So my therapist, yes, I'm in counseling, suggested writing 3 positive things that happened. And I find that that is a little bit more engaging for me. So yesterday we had a snow day, which in Texas, you don't really get snow. So that was a positive thing. We took a snow day off of school, so we rested and just relaxed. I made homemade bread bowls and soup, so good. And I had a little bit of energy return, which was nice. I think the depression causes low energy, but also when you're recovering from illness, I still don't think my body has fully bounced back from that. And so I've kind of got it coming from both angles. So if you struggle with coming up with the 3 things that you're grateful for, try 3 positive things that happened to you the day before. I also always try and have a Bible study or just like an uplifting book to read. I'm really liking this one because he talks about building neural pathways and how we get stuck in the negative ruts. This is a really good one because it explains the science of what happens in our brains as well as the spiritual components. It's written by Craig Rochelle, who is the Life Church senior pastor. If you don't know what Life Church is, they're a huge mega church. I think they're based out of Oklahoma, but they have satellite churches everywhere. Sorry for the background noise. Steven's actually helping me put away Christmas. It's February 4th and we still have Christmas up. And then, so he's doing that with his headphones on so he doesn't hear the background noise that he's creating. Once I'm done with that, if I still have energy, again, I try and look for the small victories. And so that's what we're gonna do next together.
The world in action, what we can be, light Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we wait.
Here is our to-do list for today. I do not anticipate getting all of this done, but we're just going to do what we can. We're looking for small victories. We're looking for small things we can cross off our list.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back. Eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
All right, I wasn't even planning on cleaning the top of the washer, dryer, or the floor. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add it to my checklist and cross it off. One of the things Steven and I are planning to do in here is to create a little home gym. We have a treadmill and a Bowflex. Back there's like a little TV that we're gonna set up. We also have these floor mats where we can do floor exercises that we want to get set up as well. Today, we're probably not going to do it all in one swoop, but basically today we just want to reset the treadmill and screw in the TV.
I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me.
Oh, you're recording that?
That was not exactly the small job I thought it was going to be, but both batteries to our drill died, so we need to get those charged up, so we're just gonna and of course, when I said that, the camera battery died. We're just not having any luck with batteries. All right, we are just going to call it for the day. We crossed off a few things off our list. Remember, we're just looking for small victories. We decluttered the washer and dryer. We swept and mopped the laundry. And I'll give us a half check mark on hanging the TV because we rearranged in there. We cleaned up a little bit and we got started on the mounting process. So we're probably not gonna get that crossed off the list, but we're gonna give ourselves credit for it. We're gonna see if we can pick up tomorrow morning and cross off just a couple more things. I think for the decluttering of clothes and closet and shoes, I think I'm gonna make that a separate video because I think that is enough work by itself to be its own video. Also have some new things for my closet. So we'll just look forward to that on the next video. Okay, so it's not the next morning, but it's the next night. Grandparents ended up taking the kids yesterday evening. So Steven and I got a date night / date morning. And well, anytime I don't have the kids, I give myself a pass on doing anything and I just enjoy doing nothing. Seriously, I used to beat myself up about not getting stuff done when the kids weren't here, but it was like when the kids left, I just would shut down every single time. And I finally started telling myself, when you homeschool your kids, you are literally with them 24/7, with the exception of when grandparents take them. And it's a blessing, but it's exhausting, let's be honest. And so when they would leave and I would want to be productive, my body would say, nope. So now, when they leave, I turn on my favorite TV show, make myself a cup of tea, and just relax. And it usually works out better for me than beating myself up, because either way, I'm not getting anything done. Looking at my list from yesterday, yeah, I could check 2 things off. But we're not going to beat ourselves up about that, because we really did do quite a bit. It's just, like, I should have put homeschool my kids, do my Bible study, get dressed, all that. I should have had all that on it, because if I did, those would be checked off too. But that's neither here nor there. Today's a new day. I have made a deal with myself. This is called temptation stacking. It was in another book that I read by James Clear, Atomic Habit. And it's where you do something you don't want to do and then reward yourself afterwards. So I just saw one of my new favorite YouTubers post a video. So I'm going to clean up my bedside table and clean up my makeup desk, and then I'm going to fold the laundry, which is now 3 loads of laundry that need to be folded instead of the 2, and I'm gonna fold those and watch her. Which brings me to the next question. Who are your favorite YouTubers currently? Tonight I will be watching Fearfully Created. If you have not heard of her, you need to go check her out. Let me know if there are any up and coming YouTubers. You know, most of the big names I feel like I already know. But, you know, maybe there's some new names out there. So let me know. If y'all have channels, let me know. I will be happy to check them out.
Yeah, be free, be free, be free with me.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me.
Okay, this is embarrassing. But if you look closely back there, we're gonna get paid. If you are in a dark place right now and your home looks like this, or even worse, my heart is with you. Please know every bad day brings you one day closer to a good day. And until then, keep your eyes focused on what is true, pure, and praiseworthy. Try and recognize the negative thoughts that tear you down and replace them with the truth. You are not a bad person who's just lazy. You currently have a struggle, whatever it may be, that keeps you down and is outside of your control. You will have a day when you can tackle that to-do list, and man, when you do, it will feel amazing. But until then, be gentle with yourself. I love you guys so, so much, and I'm so glad that we can be here for each other and cheer each other on.
You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
I found 2 fingernail clippers. I can never find fingernail clippers. What they were doing in my makeup brush holder, I have no idea. But now I'm going to hide them from the rest of my family. Have a mom hack for you. Hide 2 or 3 pairs in obvious places and then hide your pair in a special spot. And you'll always be able to find that one pair.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always.
Well, while I was cleaning up my side of the room, Steven folded the clothes for me. Gotta love that man. We still have a long ways to go. We're not out of the weeds on this house. So I'm glad I started in the personal areas because those are the spaces when I wake up in the morning and I sit down to do my makeup, or I go and exercise. Those are the spaces that are gonna help propel me forward. So I'm really glad I started in those spaces. Normally I say go say something kind to yourself, but today I want you to tell me 3 positive things that happened to you yesterday in the comment section. You can also say something kind to yourself too. If you're not done with me yet, here are a couple more video options. If you are done with me, we'll just see you in the next video. If you want, no pressure.